Issue is they say because the numeric issue President Akasa is starting 5 p.m. But then issue ya no pa nipa watch I come once some kakra. In fact, media soldier for no crowd me share bi no how I almost fly plane and me videos ni be share very skillful na make us o man ya hwade because these people in the say bibi ni na say yes say o me ye de o makogina ekon na won fa we ndoje a say they no see ye plane which means say they watch movie and the guy is very very good and one of them ni elusu nti wo mo elusu mu nipa nwotwe no in fact kitwa bi anim say na meka no solo mamintio
mamendase na Opoman commentary one way reminds me of something,
right?
Yeah, that the importance of a person practically lies in his practical bearing.
Absolutely. Yeah.
To one say, and you are no gallant people on Matoi. I've listened to the accounts.
Yeah,
Canada. And now my name is down for penny bidding come. And now all catch me baby all beko and many more.
Okay.
Nasa nipa ukutani podium de neko. A doctor or my nebuama. And now I'm a fair papa no. For bare 5 minutes now we'll see na music.
Yeah.
Because now my name say Minanka Sofra can be friend. I'm in front of solo me na me say day. Also name say Asmesi. And then a paya minakasa. Also cook myself by me coffee. And away yes. This is how painful. Yow.
Mutalakra so de na abanti bi se okone office. In fact or de e bi beto okone office na o man no letters so mfa nkoma DC ba ku bi na ade bi a wo pe no onye man na okoduru ho a DC no mfrɛ wo no. Afedi okoduru ye no nso nim se mutalakra tu kan. Oduru ya afedi o ma frɛ ne line frɛ no mu nim se sei kra na esi. And uhu nipa o mu depende o mane bo ma nra hwe ma me bi a wo su na oso ne bo ne dwetri na nko ne ne mana de o mbedi eden but through ne nsem the people are hurt said they will come.
I love the reflection.
Yeah.
Na yebefa core points be frame. How long they lived and hear me pay. But their impact to society. And again they bowed out in the line of duty.
Yeah.
Which show how committed they are to the country. The positives, these are young men.
Yeah.
Ye papa sapon die or ye papa prekope. Mamen kanwa. Say menya immense knowledge but media no your future he will call you you monitor from a distance. You are doing well. Keep it up.
Right.
And if he says yeah. Be a meeting be janka say be o mami phone and o mami say. But the point is that as a party person there be our frewa nansi akra me friend no solo and more bamumbu. Yeah. Continue with what you are doing. And that advice in itself to me value no more than any material thing.
Yeah.
And you know I was part of the NDC regional executive, so we met the election directorate. Dr. Omaneboma met us on so many occasions. Now on no kasa utumu the in-depth of knowledge, to say mastery over human no control over everything. And above all, ne pepeye so kasa yenye time for everything. These are great men. I know Mutala from a distance because if you're a radio kasa. Sure. But you can see how passion, how they can. And at the end of the day, you see how he tried to reconcile.
Yeah.
These are people, I think, say, as a mind, we have a lot to learn.
Very knowledgeable, experienced,
and I'm sure, say, in Penifua, they did them send a show, Monsa. So, Monfasa, a Kunini and Nintini, and Tukaino. They would all be ordinary people.
Yeah, very experienced.
A woman named it.
Yeah.
And you know, me kind of say, I sign number. But Putoka Zaka say BBC and I'm a capital almost say me. As when something happen and we learn something out of it, it becomes an experience.
Say BBC.
A big experience.
Yeah.
By a big event. Yeah. That once upon a time this will happen. I think say there was a way a deeper reflection beyond any anuma kaiwomi into how the state protocols, governance, and everything is mandated. I mean, for first one, mrantie ne mmaba a ɛwɔ sika man ɛne the other town here dey obo komienu
let me say brofu
edu ɛne sika man ɔmo sɛ hyia so ɛwɔ adanse akrofrom potemo mamembo ɔmo so ɛsan sɛ ɛmra wɔ so ɔmo sɛ na helicopter ne nam dwem na ɛtitɔyɛ no they rush to the scene me gidi sɛ kɔ ɔmo kɔ no but I nyane sɛ no ɔmo kɔ hwɛ sɛ ɔmo betumi anya obi agina nkɔ ana na from where they are to people no so no we were told that the minimum time what they do is about 2 hours nti wono abasbokas ya pa de ma wo mo e make say o man Ghana sa nipa ho do ene e kanwa akame honhom no ene wura sa wo man no mrantie ne maba e wo kronom to mo hia abasbode
because amanje ba ko o se o mo di mirika e fro bepo no a wo mo ko hwe de asie no no mo to o so mo to spa e no mo tie se plane no ayegum o mo di mirika eji wutumu se mirika o mo de fo bepo so o mo duru ho no na enye je demu dia
anka de could have done
na ko betumi ayi wo mo de wo mo
and that is why safo no ye bo wo mo ba so ye investigation we should identify those people and see how I think the low side no say kakra na no was so my money nyina ye see agina ye the means of communication ye nyina ye mbra because in che bia na India plane totoye you know the tofi and ameboa say
tofi bi mu medical students be cry pray any
I be seen there me nyesho say the world have seen any image I hear that going and ameboa
no but within 24 hours from Wednesday now Kenya nipa 6 from same helicopter and then US nipa 2 every through the same it's not Ghana alone within men can say Wednesday basic Thursday no there na nipa almost 24 hours nipa 16 we lost them Ghana 8 Kenya 6 and then US 2
the person me can say
yeah
yeah they didn't make it so sensitive
e de betu dwa
social media no o say ya ho komodi
okay in
my candid opinion, I
agree with you.
I agree
with you
because when him,
yeah.
But at the four, a bush for a year and a month, the pictures you have seen will haunt them for so many years to come.
Yeah,
and I think that we could have done better.
Yeah.
But they are amateur, they are not professionals.
Yeah.
It's here more mabaso, yet more most was can go. Yeah, more most will be. But I was so minor, you do come.
Sure.
Again, as I see,
education
people are gripped. Yahweh, wow. Someone sapon Bema with Ujan in China. Bema sapon. Couldn't you need me? Not ending no. Me, yes, so say you be anywhere. Say, I better compare that here.
Yeah.
What are we hearing from the social media platforms?
Na obi shi.
Again na yet
obi shi na camera dane so.
Again, what are we hearing? It's na me share. TikTok if you channel na buy me boy. China, you can't misbehave with the TikTok. Me. And I'm told say the other region be China. Omo de buy na they have bandeno.
Yeah.
Say be what China. You can't go there to use the TikTok.
Yeah.
Yeah, share the secondary school some code TikTok Ghana. Go to site, just type SHS. Now we don't code I think say be sure.
Yeah, say you who post age appropriate no.
That is it. Inti enkomoje no ye man wan tra what we are.
But
as a country,
course, yeah.
Your core value that puts us together as a country. Yeah, one this guy John Kuma died.
Yeah.
Okay, when I'm a tiny one. Why now was saying
yeah.
I ask myself so many questions. The Ghanaian values we are naturally empathic. You say no matter what. Some values in kakra is being eroded. It's yes, we will reflect.
Reflecting on our actions.
On our actions. And then I knew. Yesterday somebody passed a comment. Me drive na see an yes myself. I was passing by a lady, grown up lady, that Ghana for power, NDC for so one a day. It's shocking me veins.
Wow.
But you see, quickly as a country, we are losing it.
Yeah.
Shall we baby? On my neighbor, my top first. Nipa me chin interview, Cassia. I is the MP for Fijasi, for free. Na all can Nhyira or Manebo Mawasem. Na tears.
Yeah.
Oh, soon on national radio. That is how some of them are bonded.
Yeah.
And see, mini people don't know. They be about work. We go together.
But most of them creating.
No, you see, that is why.
You see, politicians, my main way.
Thank you.
Most of them creating impression through the media platforms. It's like you are enemies. You see, it is a.
Me what TikTok handle. Me talk o kan kwahye sampa. Ensem a okotia e hye nipa nkran. Obekwa wanya viewer 900,000. Ti aye pa. First year me say me ko twa bo MPP kakra.
Ensem papa.
Me nya bi da o. Ba me say na dem me na me say me tam to ko nyom ko to bom. Kana be to bom kakra to. Me twa bo MPP kitwa bi. We did a matter for na 10,000 plus views.
Just say ensem panko.
Tabi. That is why we have to look at Jamaica say me can't say me kana me say family to am ko buy we didn't best time ko buy no for 10,000 views. That's it me say. I hope I've seen the system. It's even in politics. Senior, minimum ya juma for over 10 years. My tell video so I can say unfortunately be that. Maybe be
very noble. It's like Upuma.
But you see, yeah, yes, no. Your story is and question be asked how. And no more ya.
No Becky can.
No Becky can. Bedia tem best of your whole do no. They are the story. Even in their party, people regard them say they are the men.
Ultimate fire.
On fire. How many men? Into be a face me fa phone si manim. Na me kodina na ado atem. Me di o man panyin ko for atem. Me di o Muhammad atem. Me di be James atem a. Me so be somebody and I will trend. That is nonsense and that is a madness.
Yeah.
Ayadam.
And can you value?
Mama panyin na wanyini. Wo be ko no wo ma. Papa wanyini for body say. Be ko no wo busia. Of for phone. No, dear tell me some be a meeting class as a not be bola so. And these are the people we glorify. I think that as a country, we have to look at it. Beyond that, we are mourning. It's never anyone. I'm just reflecting. Again, narrative because Mr. Dofoso Munyai.
Any day.
Play no. Nanka we ne kofro. And away nyamfro. And away koye. That narrative no. On the other side.
Yeah.
The moment we continue to self hammer on those side, no, we are paying now. And what do for now? So people are now asking, why my husband? Why my father? Why my son?
Like
why my have they been very good?
Oh, the other person.
Why not? Why na ye say? Why na ye say? Nyamini miya woye.
Yeah.
Henti ye den nyamia say. Dey say nyina.
Right.
But when people say I say a bit tia ye a bit ye lucky and a bit ye ye no gallant men omakowi their service commitment dedication to duty is unparalleled. That is why even in the 11th hour ye catch one say mon ko kumase enko de dwumaso say tie nie no when you bobo oti no omokoye we should look at them from that angle.
Yeah.
Na ye nyai say nanko bentin na ekọ nanka smesi na ewuram enya yi we si ye nti say narrative because so na wo ye sankofo bi ebuchafo a you begin to have the hard question. Why my brother? Why my father? Why my husband? Why my son? But mo amu bi say sa nyina no nyame onim die wo ye na the person no oye ni
right
to the presidency and to everybody. Me feel say we need to honor these great men. Even though after the Yaudie, we would ask tough questions. Because it could happen to anybody. Because we Obia Kocha playing ma, it could have just been anybody.
Yeah.
But the best honor I give between your man and me is to say you better fight it to the end.
Yeah.
I'm irresponsible mining if you're mining.
Yeah.
Say to me, I am not yet to say young mining. They be obvious because but mining ought to be done responsibly.
Yeah.
In a wake of responsible mining, and I said fantastic people, Nipa maku a big future, Nanka very bright. They do so me. It is a mining, no, as a party, as a country, as a region. They say our brothers have died in vain. They say, "Wo you know, if I so be anya day, amaso." Into the biggest tribute upon say name streets, upon say name schools, upon say ye rojas omo, upon say immortalize omo, upon say you mu jan bia. A best ni people crying, say adofo wi in the land of duty no. Nya ye betimi aya mo na wo mu kra, so asema do your mind, no mu kwacha baabi at your mind Ghana. And they say a former good year yemfa kwan person to na say ye kwaye, say ye nsuo, say ye nsase, na de yare dom ebranipa no. Ye besia no. Na etibisia no a, na na che say anuanumi kwakodi sa adwuma so no a omo toye no. Omo bre no anya kwa. Omo wu nkwase wuo. Na mo omo wu pa echirema and I think that is the only way we can eulogize them. I'm only hoping and praying. Say them kind say as a country collectively. Madam when you call in ase. And I said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia there. That's only depend him. That's it. He's being sincere and genuine. You feel it. Who say grief, pain, yow, a woman you know. I feel for the first time. I've seen the political so on we can say top one no. A united front. Again is a nation in mourning, nation in grief. I would appeal to hear what for say we should do same. It is somebody today. It could be tomorrow. Yeah. But let us learn the lessons. But as I've indicated, say Yesuye near him papa. Na say akuma adofo ko sabe who can say bia na who say bia kuma na kuma no kofo mo a e be set of questions ma me mbo be minister abaso ndam say no be cancel as young as he is say bia wona kana wo ugina wo podium no so ene e ka kire wa e bia nko be misfiefo but oye bibi no so lipa kuma nko ho so nyam military officer mbo medical officer hwe people no so wo kwa no wa tenase but he was eager because on him say Ninu way ebe cancer until I'll go there. Energy ahukama was commendable. Even though there are 1 or 2 a year, and the Amaka say be crime to me and one Tamso, one Harrison was such as born. You would have done society no a junior pound go you were wondering what is happening over there. Into an inner pamphlet. The security couples, a come was sama hene before the munina ya bomba baso. But beyond this, it be very difficult lessons out of it. Yeah. And I wish the family, minya penny, papa prekope, sapon, ne ma, ne busian for. Se jabian of Udin Quio, Nina DJ, na me fell. The bush of Winina, no no qua, Yenia Mutala, Yenia Maneboama, Omuma Kenina, Yenia Boaji or Boise, Umakenina, Yabuchafoni Yako, and May more day. More Mobiya, a bear, Yankee or Ray, Yan Cancer Panchomo. We should so hope to them. Now, your mom pie say, Yanko passing with you, demo my, and maybe Sibu. Yamia Dimaye, we can bear. But unanunya open and away. But we did Minyagwa.
Medan say that's Solomon Anane, NDC communications team member and then regional manager for GEFEC and Otin in Kano.